Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In commemoration of Quaid-e-Azam Jinnah's 146th birth anniversary, it is my honor and privilege on behalf of Dabistan-e-Iqbal, an organization which is dedicated to the promotion of Allama Iqbal's poetic and philosophical message. I welcome you to the first segment of a series of short presentations related to Quaid-e-Azam Jinnah's life, his vision, his mission for the Muslims of India, and his arduous struggle for the creation of Pakistan. Dear viewers, although Dabistan-e-Iqbal would narrate the events of Quaid's life in accordance with a sequential timeline over the next few weeks, the first presentation that we are making today is aimed at educating our viewers with the historical and philosophical basis on which the Pakistan movement was conceived, launched, and spearheaded by our valiant Quaid-e-Azam. Besides the above, we wish to make our viewers also cognizant of the fact that Allama Iqbal, in his epoch-making address at Allahabad in 1930, had expatiated upon the distinct identity that the Muslims of India enjoyed vis-a-vis the overwhelming Hindu majority in India. He also, my dear viewers, indicated in the same address the areas that ultimately were destined to become and designated as such to be prospective Islamic states or state. After this address, most of the Muslim leaders of India had accepted Allama Iqbal's philosophical postulate, and they worked hard towards its ultimate fruition. Congress leaders, especially Mr. Gandhi, was derisive and cynically critical of the Muslim claim of being a separate nation within the subcontinent. His famous and oft-quoted comment was, "How can a body of converts claim to be a separate nation away from its parent stock?" And this issue had become a subject of vitriolic debate between the Muslim leaders and the Hindu hardliners, and remained a bone of contention between Muslim League and the Congress till the fruition and the culmination of the struggle for independence of India. Dear viewers, it is precisely this question that will be addressed in the first segment. I want to, as someone who has researched this subject on behalf of Dabistan-e-Iqbal, it is my duty to inform you and give you a word about the source material of this series on Quaid-e-Azam's life and struggle. And I feel that it would be in order, because there is a large array of books which are available and had to be consulted in order to reach the ultimate accuracy of our narrative. A list of the same books is being shown on the screen, and you could see that a lot of material is available on Quaid-e-Azam's life. However, it is my duty and my conviction, after having gone through a comparative study of the subject and also the material available on it, that Mr. G. Allana, G.A. Allana, that is Ghulam Ali Allana's book Quaid-e-Azam Jinnah, Story of a Nation, was found to be the most authentic and relevant to our specific focus and the need. Being a very close associate of Quaid-e-Azam, Mr. Allana not only was accurate and passionate, but he also took pains to bring forth the humanistic and altruistic aspects of Quaid-e-Azam's personality. Now, without further ado, my respected viewers, Dabistan-e-Iqbal and I, on their behalf, would like to launch ourselves into our first segment, which expatiates upon the question as to why the Muslims of India always bore a different identity since their very first historical footprints on the soil of India. And as claimed defiantly, bravely, courageously, and with conviction by our Quaid-e-Azam, by all canons of international law, we are a nation. And he proved it as such, and may God bless him forever in the best quarters of Jannah.